Hello everyone, I am Mohini Agarwal. Welcome to Easy Learning. Today this video is about statistics, in which I am going to tell you the how to calculate probability in the standard normal distribution. So today I am going to explain this with the help of an example, that how to calculate probability. So I have taken one example. Marks in an exam are normally distributed with mean 60 and standard deviation of 4. Find the percent of the marks, and I have taken the three cases. So first of all, that we should know to find the probability is that the z score formula, which is x minus mu divided by standard deviation. This is population mean and this is population standard deviation. So if we see this example, in this example our mu is given 60 and our standard deviation is 4. Now we will see how to calculate the percent of marks of probability less than 55 marks. So here we can write mu is equals to 60 and standard deviation is 4. Now first step is to put this value, or we can write this x is less than 55. So the first step is here that we should write this value or substitute all the values in the z score formula. So I'm going to write so this is minus 1.25. So z square, our z square score value is minus 1.25. Now the next step is to see the value of z score in the z distribution table. So here I have already written the values, and in that I have taken the left area under the z score table. So my value is minus 1.25. So how you will see, suppose this is the z score table, and here like 0.00, 0.01, here the values are written, and here our z value is like 1.5, 1.4, 1.6 and 1.3, 1.2. Suppose this is negative. So what I am going to do, here it is negative, so we will see 1.2 here, 1.2 here, and the left one, which is 0.05, is here. So where these both intersect, that will be our value from the z score table. So I have already written values from the table. So the table for the values for the z score minus 1.25 is 0.1056. So this is the percent and here this is the probability that the numbers are less than 55 is 0.1056, and if we convert this into percentage, then the value will be 10.56%. So these are the marks which are less than 55. So this is how we calculate in case of less than 55. And if we see here from this graph, so our z square is minus 1.25, and we are calculating this area. So this area is 10.56%. Now I am going to take the second case, which is more than 70. So here we are going to calculate probability which is more than 70. So just repeat the same thing. Substitute the values in the z score formula. 70 minus 60 divided by 4, which will give 2.5. Now the value is positive, which is 2.5. So we will see the value from the z table, and from there here it is 2.5 and it is 0. So we will take this value. So this value is 0.9938 from the table. This is value. So if I show it on the graph. So this is our Z, and we have to find the probability of this shaded region, but this is the value of this region. So to find the shaded region, we will subtract this probability from 1. What we will get? 0.0062. So this is the probability which is more than 70, or if we convert this into percentage term, then we will get 0.62%. So the answer for this is 0.62%, and for this is 10.56%. Now next is area between 65 and 75. So again, first we will calculate Z values for these two. So for Z1 we will get which is 1.25, and for Z2 we will get 3.75. So again, this is the Z square value. So this is 1.25. This is 3.75. So that means we have to find the values of this shaded region. So again, the same procedure we have to follow. We have to see the Z score from the Z distribution table and 3.75 from the Z distribution table. The value is 0.8944 for this, for 1.25, and for this is 0.999. Now what we will do, if we have to find the values between this, so we will subtract this from this. So this is our probability where our value is from 65 to 70. So this is, if we convert it into percentage, then our percentage is 10.55. So this is how we calculate probability in case of these three cases. So this is and I'm just going to have quick recap. In this, what we have to do, just we have to write the formula, which is this, and then we have to identify what is mean and what is standard deviation. Then we have to see that the question is asking what. In the case of less than probability, we have to just substitute the values and see the values from the Z table, and that will be your values. And in case of more than, we have to find the values from the Z table, and then we have to subtract that probability from 1. So that will be our answer. And in case of between, what we have to do, we have to find two Z values and find two probabilities, and then we have to take the difference of their two. That will be our area of the shaded region. So this is how we find probability in the normal distribution case. I hope you have understood, and if you have understood, please like and subscribe my videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.